made it here to Pop Century at Disney World. We are staying here for the next 4 nights and we just checked in, got our room. So I'm going to show you our room. We got our room in the 60s section here. We have a view of art of animation over across the lake. First, whenever you walk in, you have this little coffee bar. Disney gives you all the Joffreys, which is like their signature coffee company. You've got some creamers and sugars there. A little coffee maker with your cups and your ice bucket. And then there's a little drawer here. And it has your beverage cooler if you want to order some things or put your leftovers there. And then there's the thermostat, the front window, and the front door. Over here in the corner, there's a little cubby, and you have your Hey Disney here, which is kind of new in the past couple years. It's kind of like Disney's version of Amazon Alexa. Then we have our table and chairs here, and this is a double queen. This is actually a Murphy bed, so it pulls down into a queen bed. And then you have your other queen bed here, and then another little cubby and nightstand with all of the ports. There's 2 ports and 2 USB ports right next to the bed, and your phone, as well as the dresser here. There's actually quite a bit of room here. So you have some shelves in your safe here, and then you have 3 decently sized drawers here. And then in the dresser on each side, there's also 2 more plugins and USB ports. And then you have your TV here. This room actually looks like it's a connecting room. So if you're staying with a large family or friends, you can request that. And we have some hooks if you need to hang any bags, hats, your ears, all your Disney things. And then over here on the other side of the bed, there's also another little cubby and nightstand. And looks like you have your own light switch here on the side for your reading light. I love this picture of all the little Mickeys. There's some more plugins. This one looks like it has a USB and a USB-C port. Then here we have a sliding door to kind of separate the bathroom and the living area. And then in the bathroom, right here, this will be your closet. You've got a few shelves there at the bottom and quite a few hangers. And then next to that, we've got an ironing board. Then on the vanity, we've got a little storage with your hair dryer, some extra towels and tissue paper. More storage down here, some shelves, and under the sink as well. Then you've got your vanity and mirror. There's 1 sink, but there's actually quite a bit of counter space here. And that's a pretty big mirror. It's pretty well lit. And then you've got your smaller mirror here, your light switch, and a couple plugins. And we've got some soap here, and then the sliding door separates the bathroom. You've got a full-length mirror on the bathroom door so you can see all your park outfits. And then in the bathroom, we've got some towel racks, hooks, all your towels, and some extra. And then the shower has a sliding glass door, a little cubby for anything you might need, Disney's shampoo and conditioner and body wash, the shower, the 2 shower heads, rainfall shower head, and then a wand. So that is Disney's Pop Century Resort. This is a 2 queen bed. You've got the regular queen bed and the Murphy bed. And we are staying in the 60s section, so I am actually really excited about that. I did not request this, And this is a standard room for us. It's close to the Skyliner. It's like right in the middle of the 60 section by the pool. So you're really close to the Skyliner and you're really close to the lobby and the food court and everything, and to get to the bus transportation. So this would be really fun. Now I think we're gonna get ready. We're gonna head over to Typhoon Lagoon and spend the rest of our day there. And then we don't really have any plans for this evening. So I don't know if we're gonna walk around Disney Springs, get some dinner, or come back to the resort, or go to a different resort. But we're gonna head to Typhoon Lagoon and have some fun there.